Okay guys, so now we're going to go through a basic setup of a pipe and drape commercial kit. So what you want to do when you're first starting out is you want to measure your base plates at the exact width that you want your backdrop to be. And you're going to measure that by using your crossbar. So you want to put your two base plates, the exact length of your crossbar, and then what you want to do is get your upright. You're going to take one upright and you're going to slide it directly onto the base plate. And you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Now, I highly advise before you get to attaching your uprights to your base plates to secure your pins and make sure they're super tight. After that, you're going to pick up your crossbar and you're just going to slide it onto your uprights. One slide into the other. This is your basic backdrop assembly. Now, if you want to adjust it, all you would do is begin to raise your uprights according to your desired length. And it's just that simple. This is why it's really, really recommended that you guys get an adjustable unit so you can easily transport it, you can easily assemble it by yourself, and it doesn't break the bank. So if you have any other questions as it pertains to this heavy-duty unit, be sure to put them in the discussion sections below this video, and I'll be sure to get you the assistance you need.